Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to make a reaction to the song Palagi. Palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Char. Yeah, this is one of the my favorite song that created by TJ Monterde. So I'm so excited to watch the live version of Palagi, guys. So excited to watch this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right now we're going to make a reaction to the song Palagi. And for those of you who are new on this channel, guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and please smash the notification bell to receive new updates. Okay. All right. So let's make a reaction on this video. Okay. All right. In three, two, one, go. Very nice.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi.
I like this.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagbabalik ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, tiyamante mo'y abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigla. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi.
Yeah. So that is the song, guys. Palagi. I love that part that said, Iyo ko. Parang galing dito. Galing sa puso. Iyo ko. Wow, ang ganda ng message ng song, no? Yeah, kahit merong mga conflict, yung mga away, quarrel, no? Babalik pa din yung taong para sa'yo, no? But if the person did a lot, did a big, huge amount of mistake, kayo na lang pong bahala. Kung gusto niyo pabalikin. Yeah. If the person, if the problem can still be fixed, you can still work it out. Pero pag malaki na yung nagawa, tas ano, yung person, bumalik. Guys, kayo na lang pong bahala. Hindi na ako mangingil. Yeah, okay, depende kasi yon sa decision ng tao, 'di ba, no? If the person can still be accepted or not, because there will be people that will suggest what to do, but sa huli, decision mo yung mananaig. Yung nasa puso mo yung mananaig, 'di ba? Their opinion and their suggestion will not stand out, but yours. Mm. No matter what they say, sa'yo pa din magagaling yung decision, di ba? So, if the person will come back, it's your decision. Okay? Kaya na bahala. So that's it, guys. But you know what? The song is very nice. I really like the song, yung composition kasi meron talagang something na it conveys something to the viewer that if true love will come into your life, kahit maraming away or quarrel, maraming away or quarrel, kahit maraming away at saka mga problema, that person will keep coming back to you because that person is for you. Diba, no? I like the message of the song. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. So no matter what happened, that person will stand with you because that person is for you. That person will not cheat. That person will not go away. That person will not go to anybody because that person is for you. And kung merong mga mga problema na hindi nyo pag-aawayan, that problem will easily be fixed because you two decided together to be with together. Diba? Ay nako, parang nag-ano na ako. Kung ano-ano na yung sinasabi ko. Okay, so that's it, guys. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap hanggang sa huli. So, mga to guys. Hanggang sa huli. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching it. That's it for my reaction. Thank you very much for watching. For those of you who are new on this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and please smash the notification bell to receive no updates. Okay? All right. Thank you very much for watching.